got one.
About time.
Yeah, you should. All right, you guys, we just hooked up right here. Look at that. Got me a nice little snapper right there.
That dink. Get it closer to the camera, Icy.
Check it out. That's about it. That's about 11 and a half. Oh, almost took my finger off. Boy, they're mean out here. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool.
Here we go. First fish in the boat. That bait's not gonna last. It's too soft.
What bait?
The bait I got on this hook. Gotcha.
GoPro, start recording.
Gotcha.
Jim's hooked up again, guys.
Come on. Oh, he let loose.
You got loose?
Well, woo.
You gotta be kidding me.
They're on the fish. They put me on the wrong side of the boat, but you know, we're gonna catch
Hey,
them, guys. Don't
you're
worry.
a newbie here.
That's right.
I'm the greenhorn on
You're
the boat,
greenhorn. You gotta deal with it, man.
so we gotta do what
Better
we
be
can.
in. It's better to be in the boat than out. Yeah. Oh, Chris, there he goes.
Oh,
He's got a big one.
Gotcha. All right. Whoa.
Get him, man. Film it. Film. Is this thing on?
GoPro, start recording.
Get him, Jim.
Light blinking.
Yeah.
All right, Jim's hooked up. He's hooked up on a good one.
Come on. Come on.
That's a nice one.
Get him in, St. Croix. Get him in.
Let me get the net ready for Mr. Jim here. Whatever it is.
All right, guys, Jim hooked up on a really nice one right here. Oh my God, a redfish.
No.
It is. That's a redfish.
He's got a redfish, you guys.
There you go.
Awesome.
Woo!
My gosh.
Oh my goodness. Look at
Wait
that.
a minute. No.
What is it?
That's a snapper.
Get out of here.
That's a snapper.
Oh,
This is a
dude,
snapper,
that's a
I see.
snapper.
Oh boy.
Oh, that's just a dink.
It's a dink.
Oh, that's a dang. It's a throwback. We're throwing that one back, you guys.
Back, guys. It's too
Oh, you guys got to
Whoa.
see how big that snapper is. That is huge.
Keep it low.
Yeah. All right.
I'm getting bites over
Icy,
here.
I'm gonna need that
Hold on,
orange.
Here.
I put my line up.
He took off. Oh
I lost mine.
Where?
Oh my God, and all that excitement.
Oh.
Turned off my camera by accident. You guys got to see this guy. Huge. Anybody got a light?
Nope.
Oh my God, he's got stuck. Here, let me see.
Hold on.
That help. He is too late.
Here we go, guys.
20
Look at that, guys.
20-inch snapper. Look at that.
Here, 20 inches.
20 inches, guys.
Let me get my
That's
camera
what's
down.
up right there.
All right.
Oh,
We're
my
after.
God.
Little dinks.
Look at this. That's a 20-inch mangrove snapper. Yes.
That is huge.
Woohoo! That's what we do on this boat.
Awesome.
That's what we're here for.
Yes,
Got a
sir.
YouTube over here,
Now we gotta
YouTube
get
over
one.
there, YouTuber right here.
All right.
Gotta get me one. I gotta get me one.
Go for it. Oh my God. I would say I caught one.
Give me the other one. Give me the other one.
All right.
I don't even know if I'm still hooked up. I think not.
Oh,
Not
like
with
jump
that.
back there.
Oh yeah, I'm still hooked up. I'm still hooked up. Ooh. Okay, hold up. Done it the motor.
GoPro, start recording.
GoPro, start recording. Oh, wait. GoPro, turn on.
It doesn't work like that.
GoPro, start recording. All right, guys, we're hooked up here. We got a good one. For sure, a good one.
I know you're not able to see much action because this is being filmed at night, so I'm going to cut out about 5 minutes of the fight with this fish just to save you a little bit of time.
All right, the point is still covered. All right, my line's free. All right, so if you want me to do it, did you take?
Got it. And bring him up.
All right,
think I got him.
watch your feet.
Watch your feet.
And yeah, you gotta be there, hon. Yeah, like this, so they don't. I'm not extending the arm.
Oh!
Don't worry, I got him.
Gotcha.
All right,
Damn
man,
dolphin. I'll take it.
Gotcha. Whoa, I got a good head shake.
All right, Jim just hooked up right there. A nice one. What is it? What'd you get?
Another nice snapper.
Another nice snapper. Jim's killing it back of the boat.
Small. Small snapper.
I just had a good hit.
Maybe you're starting to bite.
Yeah.
No, he's definitely legal.
How big? Let me see it.
About 12, 13.
Yeah, it's about 13. Cute, dude.
Whoa! Probably like
Jim hooked up over here. A nice ladyfish. Oh, look at that.
Come on, Tarpon. Hit it. Hit it.
Well, that was wishful thinking that a tarpon would hit that ladyfish. She did break me off right as I started to dehook her.
Oh, got one.
Chris hooked up on a ladyfish.
Got a ladyfish.
GoPro, turn on.
There he goes. Let me get my line out.
GoPro, start recording. Well, guys, we're gonna call it a night. Ending the night with a 4-man's tarpon. Little decent one, you know. Pulling some drag. Can't complain. Got some nice little jumps out there. Get this guy released and call it a night. We got our shark for the catch and cook, so stay tuned for that. GoPro, stop recording. I think I caught your ladyfish. I swear. It stays that
As you can see, I was putting my gear away because we had decided to call it a night. That was when Chris hooked into this ladyfish. We ended up with 2 ladyfish, 4 mangrove snappers. 3 of them came home with us, including my 20-inch fatty, and a bonnethead shark. I want to apologize to Icy. I did not get any of his fishing action in this video. I was only running one camera to the rear. It was at night. Forgot to turn the bow camera on. We'll get you on the next one, Icy. To the viewers, y'all heard a lot of voice commands being given to start recording, stop recording. Just so that you know, both Icy and Chris have their own YouTube fishing channels. Their cameras are voice activated, thus the verbal commands that you were hearing. My cameras are a little older models. You have to turn them on, turn them off manually, and I usually just leave them running and then do the editing later. I want to wish everybody fantastic fishing in 2019. I want to thank everyone for watching, and as always, bent rods and tight lines.